Hey everyone! Welcome back to my channel, where I review the top products on Amazon so that you can make an informed purchase decision. Today, I'm excited to share with you my top 5 picks for the best car carpet cleaners on Amazon. Take the time to freshen it up with our top picks for the best car carpet cleaner. I've spent countless hours researching and testing products, and I'm confident that these 5 products are the cream of the crop. Whether you're looking for the best product or just one that delivers excellent value for your money, I've got you covered. In this video, I'll give you an in-depth look at each of these top 5 products, discussing their strengths and weaknesses, and helping you decide which is right for you. Whether you're a seasoned enthusiast or you're new to the game, you're sure to find something that piques your interest. So without further ado, let's jump right in and take a look at the top 5 list. Number 1. Chemical Guys Lightning Fast Carpet and Upholstery Stain Extractor. The Chemical Guys Lightning Fast Carpet and Upholstery Stain Extractor is a great option because you can spray it on, wipe it off, brush it in, vacuum it out, or even use it with an extractor machine. The formula lifts dirt and grease caused by beverages, pets, and other factors, and then removes it. This spot and stain remover will not discolor or fade the carpet, and it's dilutable. In addition to carpets, you can use this product on upholstery, fabric, furniture, etc. It's easy to use and designed to prevent additional staining. The product is also an odor eliminator and cleans and deodorizes simultaneously. All you have to do is spray it on the carpet, agitate the area, then wipe it clean. You don't need to scrub or brush very hard to remove set-in stains and grime. There are not many complaints about this product. However, the spray head trigger may prematurely fail, and there may be some better alternatives for deep stains. Number 2. Chemical Guys Foaming Citrus Fabric Clean. This product is a complete cleaning kit that is specifically designed to deep clean carpets and upholstery. It comes with a 16 ounces bottle of foaming citrus fabric clean and an easy-to-use drill brush that makes cleaning fast and effortless. The Chemical Guys HOL 315 Foaming Citrus Fabric Clean is a powerful cleaning solution that is designed to deep clean carpets and upholstery. Its foaming action penetrates deep into the fibers, lifting dirt and grime to the surface for easy removal. The easy-to-use drill brush that comes with this product makes cleaning fast and effortless. Its ergonomic design fits comfortably in your hand, and the bristles are soft enough not to damage delicate fabrics, yet tough enough to remove tough stains. This product is safe for use on all types of fabrics, including synthetic and natural fibers. It is also non-toxic and biodegradable, making it environmentally friendly. Number 3. Turtle Wax Power Out. Carpet and Mats Cleaner and Odor Eliminator. The Turtle Wax Power Out. Carpet and Mats Cleaner and Odor Eliminator is a heavy-duty formula designed to remove stench caused by cigarettes, pets, mildew, and more. The product has a micro-scrub brush that thoroughly cleans carpet fibers and rubber mat crevices. It's also removable for use in small spaces. We like this formula because it both cleans and deodorizes. After use, it leaves behind a soil-repelling silicone shield that minimizes future stains. To use it, simply rub the foam onto the carpet, scrub it, and wipe the area with a clean cloth. If you have a stubborn stain, it may take several applications to remove it. Users report that the fragrance is pleasing and works well overall. One downside is that it doesn't work as well on deep stains as it does on lighter ones. Also, the cap comes off rather easily, which can be a bit of a hassle. Number 4. Spot Shot Professional Carpet Stain Remover. Spot Shot's Professional Carpet Stain Remover won a great car carpet cleaner. Use this product once, and you'll see why it's the go-to solution for even the toughest stains. The extra-strength formula specifically designed for professional cleaning companies can work wonders on any stains discoloring your vehicle's interior. One of the best features of the Spot Shot Professional Carpet Stain Remover is that it comes packaged in a 32-ounce spray bottle. That's plenty of cleaning product for even the biggest dirty jobs. The handy spray nozzle directs the solution exactly where you want it. An ergonomic frame allows for easy gripping and maneuvering into the tightest of spots, where stains like to hide best. Number 5. Armor All Oxy Magic Carpet and Upholstery Cleaner. A highly capable formula that bonds the best of two names well known in the cleaning industry, Armor All's Oxy Magic Carpet and Upholstery Cleaner could be the stain-fighting solution you need to finally get your carpets and cloth seats looking new again. A powerful alternative to bleach-based solutions, Armor All's Oxy Magic Cleaner blends non-toxic cleaning agents that penetrate deep into carpet fibers. We chose Armor All's Oxy Magic Carpet and Upholstery Cleaner for our list for the product's ability to clean deep while sanitizing and deodorizing. It's important to not only remove the stain, but to also pull out any contaminants that may cause further damage. With the oxygenated formula of Oxy Magic, this is possible. That's all from my end. I make helpful videos daily, so do subscribe to my channel and hit the bell notification. To get more information or if you want to know product price, please check my description box. For any kind of problem, please comment below so I can help you further. Life is short, so enjoy your life with our cool products.